This is one of the funniest encounters that I had during New Year. Wait, chika lang guys. So, nung New Year kasi, meron nilabas na watermelon series ang Zeus. And sa Zeus kasi, minsan kapag may bago silang series, may free stickers sila, especially when you use the app. Since the stickers are no longer available, binigyan ako ni ate ng 2 pack ng ampaw. And sobrang laki niya in person. Alang, tawang-tawa lang talaga ako, so I didn't expect that they would be giving me 2 packs of ampaws. Bawal nga rin pala magdala ng outside food sa Zeus. But I just wanted to show you guys everything that I'm drinking and eating for the day. Sobrang aesthetic, no? Since it was my first time using the app, I had a buy one take one voucher. So nakabili ako ng 2 drinks for the price of 120 pesos. First, I thought it was sweet kasi watermelon tapos coffee, but then it became my personal favorite kasi it's refreshing, it has a tropical punch, and surprisingly addicting siya. It also gave me a great energy boost nang hindi ako nauumay. And if you like this video, please follow me for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.